Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you're welcome, and to all my returning subscribers, thank you all for coming back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a facial scrub at home to exfoliate your face using just 3 ingredients. Like 3 ingredients and you are good to go. You don't have to go spend money for someone to exfoliate your face. Just turn around in your kitchen, pick the little ingredients that you will need to exfoliate your face, and you are good to go. So if you're interested in seeing how I'll be making this, just keep on watching. It's always very good to exfoliate your face, because exfoliating your face, you wash away dead skin cells, it open up your pores, it leave your face flawless, giving you that youthful look, and it also helps to give you that glowy face. So if you are looking for that facial scrub to exfoliate your face that will get your face ready for any facial mask, this video is definitely for you. It's always good to exfoliate your face before you apply any facial mask, because it will help to clean your pores, get your pores ready for that mask. When you apply it, it just sinks into your skin and it start working at that same spot. So always try to exfoliate your face at least once a week. If you don't have money, worry not, because this remedy is going to be very easy, affordable, and I'm going to show you just natural products. So if you are interested in seeing these natural products and how I prepare the facial scrub to exfoliate my face, just keep on watching. First ingredient I'll be using is banana. Banana contains vitamin A, which helps to restore moisture, smoothen out the rough texture of the skin, and heals dry, parched skin. Banana is rich in potassium and moisture, which once used on the skin helps to hydrate and moisturize dry skin, also making it soft and supple. This is a medium-sized banana, and I'll be using half of the medium banana. I'm going to cut it into 2 halves, and I'll be using half. I'm going to peel the banana. This is what I'll be using. I'll be using the inner part of this peel, because this inner peel helps to brighten the skin and reduce wrinkles. The inner part of the peels also helps to fade acne scars. So I'll scrape the inner part. So this is the inner part of the banana peel. I'm going to chop the banana into smaller pieces for easy blend. Here is the banana and the inner part of the banana peel, the one I scraped, and the banana. I'm going to blend the banana and the inner part of the banana. The next ingredient for this remedy is egg, and I'll be using just the egg yolk for the remedy. Egg yolk contains nutrients which helps to hydrate, nourish, and moisturize dull skin. Egg yolk is mostly made of water and fat, which helps to lock moisture into the skin, leaving the skin soft. So I'm going to break the egg and separate the yolk from the white. Here is my egg yolk, and here is my egg white. So here is my banana blended. I'm going to add the egg yolk to the banana and mix everything together. Don't blend it for too long. So in here is my egg yolk and banana. I'm going to pour it into a little bowl. So in here is a mixture of egg yolk and banana together with the inner part of the banana peel blended together. I'm going to introduce a new ingredient for this facial scrub, and the next ingredient is brown sugar. The granulated particles of brown sugar helps to exfoliate the skin, clearing away dry and dead skin cells. So using sugar to exfoliate your skin will help to wash away dead skin cells, open your pores, give you that flawless look. Brown sugar helps to smoothen the skin and gives you a youthful look. Using sugar to exfoliate your skin, it has an antibacterial properties that helps to keep the skin radiant and healthy. So I'll be using sugar for this remedy, and brown sugar to be precise. If you don't have brown sugar, you can use the white sugar. And I'm using 2 tablespoons of the brown sugar for this facial scrub. Our facial scrub is ready to be used. It's always good to exfoliate your face at least once a week. And when you want to use a facial mask, it's always good to exfoliate your face first before you use the facial mask or any product you want to use on your face to treat acne, dark spot, dark circles, sunburns. If you have any product that you want to use to eliminate any of this on your face, it's always good to exfoliate your face, get your face ready for the product, so that when you apply the product, it will penetrate into your skin and work perfectly well. So I'm going to show you how to exfoliate your face using this facial scrub. If you don't want to use your hand, you can use a makeup brush, but I think using your hand will be the best because you really need to scrub your face. As the name goes, facial scrub. You scrub your face. That will really help to remove those dead skin cells. I'm going to you apply it in circular motion. For like 3 to 5 seconds. Oh my god, this feels so good. For the facial scrub, you don't need to stay with it for too long. All you have to do is massage it on your face, and after that you can just sit for about 5 minutes and you wash it off. When you keep massaging, you feel how it is getting sticky on your face. That's good. So I'm going to sit for 3 minutes and I'll wash it off. After washing it off, I'll be right back. Yeah guys, this is how my face is looking like after I'm done washing it. I haven't applied anything on my face like moisturizer or anything. I just washed it and I pat dry it using a paper towel, and this is how my face looks like. Yeah guys, that will be all for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on that subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell beside it. That way you always be notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.